Good day everybody, welcome back to another video here, and today we're going to talk about notification is no longer working on your iPhone 13 Pro Max and your iPhone 13 mini. Well, the process we're about to tell you all will also be eligible for any iPhone which is currently running iOS 15. Now, the notification is one of the important things that should work completely fine in your day-to-day work. But if you see a notification is stopped coming on your iPhone when you lock it or when you unlock it, or if you see there's no notification is coming from your any social media as well, or if you find out that some applications are working well and other application is not showing you any applications at all. No matter what problem you're currently facing with the notification, don't worry, we're going to give you the quick solution to solve your problem. Now, to solve your problem, the first things you just want to go ahead and take a look at is your focus option. If you tap your settings and come down here, and if you tap your focus option, and please take a look at your do not disturb mode. Go ahead and tap on there and make sure to turn it off from here in order to allow your notification to appear on your iPhone. Now, once you've done that, if you see, oh well, still you got a problem, then the next things you got to take a look at is your network. Now, you must have to be connected either with your cellular network or your Wi-Fi. Now, if you see your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi or let's say your cellular network, then you must check your internet. Okay, now all you can do, you can open up your Safari browser and then see if that is working correctly with your iPhone or not. So if you see your network is working completely fine, then you need to take a look at our next section if you're still experiencing the same problem. And the next things we're going to talk about is called turn on allow features on your Face ID. Well, let me tell you more about it. Okay, first you have to head over to your settings, come down here and tap Face ID and password. Enter your passcode over here, scroll it down all the way here and turn on that allow features option. Now, it is actually, if you don't really turn it on, then especially when you lock your iPhone, then you're not going to get any notification available on your iPhone, okay? Now, turning back on this option on your iPhone will solve your problem. Now, let's talk about the notification issue itself right now from the notification settings. Now, if you tap your settings and come over to your notification, tap on there, and now this is where you need to be a little bit of careful, okay? Now here, if you found out any application that is turned off, and then the problem can get started. Now, let's say you are receiving notification from your WhatsApp, or maybe not getting notification from your Instagram. So all you want to do is just go ahead and just open up the application that you're having issues with, and please be sure to turn on or just toggle on this allow notification from here. And also make sure you're actually turning on this alert as well to solve your problem. But there is another thing you have to be more careful than this one. Now scroll down here and tap on this additional option called Instagram notification settings. Go ahead and tap on there, and then all you have to do, it will just get you through the main notification settings from your social media. Now, Instagram can be a very good example. Once you're here, you have to check every single option. If you see it's off, go ahead and just set it from everyone, and also Messenger and calls, open this up and make sure you're just turning all of this on from here to solve your problem. Now, let's say you're having exactly the same problem for your Facebook, WhatsApp, or Telegram and more. You can do exactly the same things. Now, once you're done doing this process, let's go ahead and check whether you're receiving any notification right now or not. Well, if you're still experiencing the same problem, there's one last thing we will tell you to just do. It's simple. Just you can tap down your settings and then scroll down here and open up your batteries, okay? And please see low power mode whether it is toggled on or not. If you see it's toggled on here, go ahead and turn it off, because turning on this low power mode will block all of these notifications that might come on your iPhone 13 Pro Max or your iPhone 13 mini. Alright guys, so these are the basic things you guys can do on your iPhone 13 Pro Max and your iPhone 13 mini in order to solve your notification and make them up and running. Hope you find this video is pretty useful for you. If so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.